हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। So fantastic. It is New Year 2023 and we want some more, slime videos and slime recipes. And you guys have been commenting like crazy for like a improved fluffy slime recipe. And I've listened to you guys and I have a very easy fluffy slime which actually works for everyone. Like, oh my god. And it is amazingly no borax recipe. And I haven't ever done a no borax slime recipe. Like you guys know, I make that fantastic activator. So if you guys haven't seen that activator, like that activator is made up of only no borax activators. Like that is a magic activator. Any of my fantastics can easily make that activator. So it is 100% borax free and like super safe. So if you want to know how to make that, head over to I button and here is the video and go watch it, and then you'll know how to make that magic liquid. Now I'll show you guys how to make the best fluffy slime 2023 version. So yeah, without talking too much, let's get started and let's see how to make fluffy slime. So now, as always, let's take a slime bowl. So here is our slime bowl, and now let's take some fevicol or any white glue that you find in your stationery. Like it can be like any white glue, but it has to be like a thicker white glue because we are making fluffy slime, so we need a very thick base so we can add the fluffing agents and then it will work amazingly. So yeah, now let's add some fevicol. I am adding this one. So yeah, let's add it in our bowl. About that much. Like it was so satisfying. Oh my god. So yeah, about that much. And now we'll add our main ingredients, which are our colors and like all the add-ons. So the color that I'm using today is lemon yellow. As you guys can see, I hope it's like doesn't evaporate as soon as I'm adding it. I like a good yellow fluffy slime, so I'm adding a little bit much of food coloring, but you guys, it literally disappears. Let's see how it looks. As you guys can see, oh my god, it turned into such a nice yellow color. And now we'll add our base ingredients, which is a little bit of Vaseline as well, because so I've added a little bit of Vaseline. My camera paused at that moment, so I've added a little bit of Vaseline in this as well. It will help with the elasticity of the slime, like it will be really stretchy. So yeah, now let's add the main ingredient which will make our slime like really cool and really smooth, which is our shaving foam. The new rule in the slime game is that you have to add everything in a very small quantity and build it up as we go. So yeah, now we'll add a little bit of foam. So this is how much I've added. I've added a really small amount, but it will build itself up. So I'm just adding a little bit. And we make sure to mix it all together nicely. And trust me, just this much is going to be enough. Our slime will be like self-inflating and it will be like super fluffy. So yeah, let's mix all the ingredients together. The color is really nice. It's holding up. Oh my god, I thought like the color will fade off if we add foam, but it's staying really nicely. We'll add if we want more color later on, but now it's just perfect. It literally looks like banana milk, which is whose favorite. If you're an army, you'll know whose favorite is banana milk. If you're an army, then let me know in the comment section below. If you're a BTS army, by the way, this one's favorite is banana milk. So yeah, so its consistency is pretty nice now. So I think it's time to add our non-BORAX activator. A very last time, make sure that everything is in a nice consistency. And yeah, now we'll add our activator slowly. So here is our activator, and I'm going to add this in a very small amounts. So make sure you add your activator and quickly mix everything up so that the slime can form quickly. I'll just fast forward this step so that you guys can see the final product. As you guys can see, our slime is coming together, and I've added a little bit of foam. I've added a little bit of shaving foam, but this, inflated like too much on itself. Like, wow. I've been mixing for a pretty long time, to be honest, and it's tiring, but oh my god, can you guys see the result? Like, wow. This is literally amazing. Can you guys see how fluffy this looks? Oh god. Now I'll meet you after the slime is activated. So yeah. So as you guys can see, I have been pretty tired from nailing it with a spoon. So I have been nailing this fluffy slime with my hands. As you guys can see, it's pretty fluffed up, and I'll just keep on mixing it until it becomes a bit solid. So yeah, let's just keep on mixing it. Oh my god, it's so fluffy, it's so amazing. Like, as you guys can see, oh my god, this slime is a dream. Like, wow. So as you guys can see, this is our fluffy slime. It's literally so fluffy, you guys. I can't even like control it. Oh my god, like, can you guys see that? Wow. So this is my fluffy slime. I hope you really enjoyed this fluffy slime tutorial. Like, it's fluffy plus jiggly, like it's a dream. And this on my hand is just moisturizer, you guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. As you guys can see, it literally feels like a dough, but it's so nice. So if you like this video, then make sure to give this video a like and make sure to subscribe. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.